Hello, everybody. We've spent the last couple of science lessons learning about changes in the environment, what those changes are, what they can look like, and the effect that those changes can have on different kinds of life, wildlife, in a negative way quite often. So, in this lesson, you'll need to be a little bit more creative because you will be planning your own local environment, which means your local environment means the place that you're living in. Now, some people might be living in dachas or whatever right now because of the current situation, but I want you to think about your usual house or apartment where you're living in most of the time in normal circumstances. So you've got to draw a bird's eye view of that area. Now that means it's drawing as though you're on the top looking down. Okay, now I'm also uploading a photo of a city from this bird's eye view into the task for today, so you understand how it should look. But you're not just going to do your area how it looks in reality, because what I want you to do is, and it says in groups, but you're just gonna do this by yourself. You're gonna try and think about ways you could make the space, the area better, and add those details to your plan. So think about all those things that you have been listening to, learning about in our unit, and those things about endangered animals, those things about climate change. Can you put anything into your area? Maybe there's lots and lots of apartment buildings, and maybe there's space for more green areas. Maybe you want to remove something that you think is harmful. Maybe you want to add something that you think would be useful for people. So you want to try and make some changes that will improve things for some different kinds of animals. Try and put labels on the picture so I can see what you've added, and anything new that you decide to put in your picture that's not really there, can you make a small note? So write a small note to say, I chose this because, and give a small reason for that. Here it says resources and tools that you would need. So what would you need to do to make those things, build those things, maybe, if you were going to really make those changes in real life? You can just use a piece of A4 paper and do this on paper. I think it's better to draw. So you can look at this for an example, but just take a regular piece of A4 paper to draw on, and that's going to be fine. Don't forget to try and put some labels. It might be useful to have a look on Google Maps at your house so you can actually see what it looks like from the bird's eye view, so you could actually copy from that some of the features of your area. And other than that, yep, good luck. Look forward to seeing what you come up with.